Everyone is celebrating free tuition as if it's the golden ticket to financial stability. But let's be real. Free tuition doesn't guarantee future-proof careers. Colleges aren't being generous. They're reacting to a storm. The truth? Many of the jobs people are studying for today will not exist in the next decade. Happy Wisdom Wednesday. I'm Imani, your career coach. I'm here to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, build the skills that matter in this new AI era, and land your dream job. On this channel, you'll get real tips, interview prep strategies, and hacks I've picked up that make a huge difference. Basically, I'm here to walk with you through the process so you don't have to figure it out alone. Before we dive deeper, take a second to like this video so more job seekers can find it, and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's Transformation Thursday. Alarming fact. According to the World Economic Forum, by 2030, AI and automation are expected to displace 85 million jobs, while creating 97 million new ones. That means if you're studying for one of the disappearing jobs, free tuition won't save you. Ask yourself, why are colleges suddenly offering free tuition? Parents cheer when universities announce tuition-free programs. Students rush to apply. But here's the truth colleges won't say out loud. They're not doing it out of generosity. They're doing it to survive. Enrollment is dropping. Student debt is in crisis. And AI disruption is making entire degree tracks obsolete. Offering free tuition keeps butts in seats. But a free ticket to a dead-end career is still a dead end. Let's look at some of the fields where colleges are still handing out degrees, but employers are quietly cutting roles. First up, data entry and clerical work. Colleges still offer diplomas in administrative support. But here's the reality. AI is already doing data entry better, faster, and cheaper. Alarming fact. According to McKinsey, nearly 70% of repetitive clerical tasks can be automated by 2030. That means typing numbers into spreadsheets or managing simple databases will not pay the bills. Free tuition for this degree is like buying a ticket for a job that won't exist. Now let's move into accounting. For decades, it's been one of the most stable fields, but not anymore. AI-driven tools like QuickBooks, Xero, and TurboTax now handle entire workflows. Entry-level accountants are the first to be replaced. Alarming fact. Deloitte estimates that 95% of accounting tasks will be automated in the next decade. Colleges still push accounting degrees, but the junior accountant role is disappearing fast. Another example is medical transcription. This career was once solid. Doctors dictated notes, humans transcribed them. Today, AI transcription tools like Dragon Medical and Nuance handle it instantly, with accuracy rates over 99%. Hospitals are cutting these roles left and right. So even if tuition is free, why train for a job that vanishes the moment you graduate? Let's talk about legal research assistants. Law schools prepare students for endless hours of research. But AI platforms like CaseText, Harvey, and Lexis Plus AI can scan thousands of cases in seconds. The Bureau of Labor Statistics already predicts paralegal growth will slow because of AI disruption. Translation: unless you specialize, free tuition for this path won't guarantee job security. Now let's pause for a moment. Do you see the pattern? Every single one of these careers has something in common. AI doesn't just make them easier, it makes them cheaper to automate. And when companies can cut costs, they do. That's why these degrees are quietly losing value even if tuition is free. Let's move into IT support. Help desk degrees are still marketed, but password resets, software installs, and troubleshooting, that's ChatGPT level work now. Alarming fact: Gartner projects that by 2026, 75% of IT help desk interactions will be handled by AI. Unless you level up into cybersecurity, cloud computing, or AI system integration, this free degree is worthless. Next, marketing. Traditional marketing, billboards, flyers, cold calls, is not the future. Digital first, AI driven marketing is where the money is. Yet colleges still enroll students in outdated programs. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics notes that traditional ad jobs are shrinking, while roles in digital analytics, AI copywriting, and growth hacking are booming. Free tuition doesn't guarantee demand. Let's shift to journalism. Journalism schools still enroll thousands, but newsroom jobs are shrinking every year as AI tools draft articles, summarize events, and generate headlines. Alarming fact: according to Pew Research, US newsroom employment has dropped by 26% in the last 15 years, and that was before AI entered the scene. Unless you specialize in investigative or multimedia journalism, free tuition here could lead straight to unemployment. Now let's talk about human resources. HR degrees promise careers in hiring and employee management, but AI is reshaping recruiting, onboarding, and employee tracking. LinkedIn reports that AI-powered recruiting software now screens resumes, runs assessments, and automates interview scheduling. Entry-level HR assistants, their tasks are already automated. The path forward in HR is to pivot toward AI ethics, people analytics, or organizational development. The traditional HR degree on shaky ground. And here are more examples. Travel agents. Travel and tourism schools still market these programs, but AI-powered booking systems like Expedia, Hopper, and ChatGPT can now plan trips, compare flights, and build custom itineraries in minutes. Publishing is also under pressure. Degrees in print journalism, editing, or book design are losing value. AI copy editors, self-publishing platforms, and automated layout tools are replacing traditional print workflows. The Association of American Publishers reports double-digit growth in digital-first publishing, while print continues to decline. Free tuition doesn't change the fact that this field is consolidating, not expanding. And two more quick examples: hospitality and retail. Hotels and resorts are testing AI kiosks that check in guests, handle payments, and answer basic questions. Entry-level hospitality degrees are still marketed, but human front desk roles are shrinking. Retail cashiers, self-checkout, and AI-powered inventory systems are replacing them fast. Retail management degrees tied to cashier roles are headed for decline. Alarming fact: PwC estimates that AI will add $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. That means the opportunity is massive, but only for those who pivot into AI-proof careers. Parents, if you're planning to send your child to college just because tuition is free, stop and ask, what will this degree be worth in 10 years? Job seekers, if you're enrolling in a free program, ask, will AI erase this role before I graduate? Because survival in the workforce is no longer about free access, it's about strategic choices. So, what do you do instead? You stop celebrating tuition as the solution. You start asking which careers will still exist. That's where tomorrow comes in. For Transformation Thursday, I'm going to reveal the careers that will survive and the ones that will thrive in the AI economy. We'll talk about the roles worth studying, the certifications worth stacking, and the paths that lead to real stability. Because free tuition means nothing if the job is gone. So here's your action step today. Comment below with your current career or degree path. Then ask yourself, will this still exist in 10 years? Pause. And don't just stop there. Share this video with a parent, student, or friend who's celebrating free tuition without questioning the future. You might save them years of wasted effort. Because the people who pivot now will be tomorrow's survivors and tomorrow's leaders. This is Wisdom Wednesday, and wisdom only matters if you use it. So remember, free tuition won't save the 10+ jobs being erased by AI, but your choices today can save your future. I'll see you tomorrow for Transformation Thursday.